Good morning, everyone. I am Niteesh from grade 7. Today, my topic is evolution of video games. So, the first video game. In October 1958, physicist William Higginbotham created what is thought to be the first video game. It was a very simple tennis game. History of video games. The history of video games began in the 1950s and 1960s as computer scientists began designing simple games and simulations on mainframe computers. MIT Space Force in 1962 as one of the such games to be played on a video display. Technology. So before they used to use Game Boy machines and arcade machines. Now so many people are using consoles and virtual reality. So the present trending games are Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Minecraft, Fortnite, Garena Free Fire, PUBG, Assassin's Creed, and Valorant. Future of gaming, Metaverse. Metaverse is a digital world where users traverse a virtual world that mimics aspects of physical world using such technologies such as virtual reality, AR, AI, social media, and digital currency. Thank you.